Hey y'all, things I love from Amazon Smart Home Edition. The Ring Smart Doorbell System, which is hooked up to my Amazon Echo Show. It allows me to see and talk to whoever's at the front door and
Hey
helps me unlock
Alexa,
it.
unlock my front door.
Unlocking. Hang on. The front door is unlocked.
She unlocks it through my August Smart Lock System. My August Smart Lock System can also be controlled through my phone. The coolest feature with August is that you can give your visitors temporary digital keys and they can come through the door without even bothering you.